In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant crashing in mid-game. Right-click on the Valorant app, select Properties, go to Compatibility tab, check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. If you're running low on RAM, background apps can cause crashes. Press Ctrl-Shift plus Escape button to open Task Manager. Click the Memory tab to sort by RAM usage. Right-click on any unnecessary apps and select End Task. If it also doesn't help, outdated system software can cause conflicts. Press Start and type Check for updates. Click Windows Update and install any available updates. Restart your PC after updating. If it also doesn't help, try to reinstall your GPU driver. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Select your GPU model and download the latest driver. Install the driver and restart your PC. Then see whether the issue is fixed or not. If it doesn't, lowering graphics settings can improve stability and prevent crashes. Open Valorant and press Escape to open the menu. Navigate to Settings, Video, then go to Graphics Quality. Set all options to low for better performance. Click Close Settings to save changes. If Valorant still crashes, repair the game files. Open Riot Client. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then go to Valorant. Then select Repair option. If any issues are detected, Riot will fix them automatically. After following these steps, restart your PC and try launching Valorant again. So now you know how to fix Valorant crashing in mid-game. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.